Do you want to add polls and voting to your TikTok videos? You can easily increase viewer engagement and gather instant feedback by adding interactive poll stickers to your content. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add polls and voting to your TikTok video? First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, log into your account if you have not already. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Record a new video or tap upload to select a clip from your device gallery. Once your video is ready, tap the stickers icon on the editing screen. In the stickers menu, locate and select the poll slider sticker. Tap on Ask Anything to type the prompt or question you want your viewers to vote on. You can also change the emoji by selecting from bottom of the screen. After setting your question, tap Done in the top right corner. You can drag, rotate, or pinch to resize and reposition the sticker anywhere on your video screen. Tap Next to reach the final posting screen, add your caption and tags, then tap Post.